So here are my peppers. Some of them I've just cut up with a knife here, just little tiny pieces of them. And I'm going to cut up all of these different types of peppers, some chocolate bells, some poblano, shishito, and I'll also put some onions, some yellow and red onions with it. I may even use this cutting device, which I got years ago, which I love. And what it does is it's got these many knives on it, so I can quickly break this stuff down to little tiny pieces. So I'm going to put this in salt water, put it in a jar, and let it ferment and see what comes out of it. I've got about 3 cups of peppers and onions. I threw some garlic in, and I put about 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Now the salt you want to use for this is not the iodized type, because it will change the color of the ingredients. So I'm just mashing this all together, seeing how much liquid I can pull out of this. If I can get enough so that I can make it an anaerobic solution when I put it in a jar, I'll do that. If I have to add a little water, I will. But I prefer to get the juices out of the vegetables themselves, because that's where that way I'm not diluting the efforts at all. So I'll let you see what the jars look like when that's done. So here's all the chilies in a jar. As you notice, this is a fantastic tool. If you don't have it, it's worth the investment if you're going to do much with canning, because it helps keep the food in the jar. And you can kind of see on top of this, there's liquid. I haven't added any water to it. This is just the liquid that has come off of the vegetables. Look at all that. Isn't that great? So I'm now going to take a baggie. It's hard for me to do this one hand, but I'm going to take this baggie. I'm going to put it on top and put water in it so that there's no air allowed into the vegetables. And I'll let it set a while. Keep tasting it, see how it does. And these are the Sandia hot chilies. These chilies typically are used in New Mexican cooking for the spice. These are pimentos. This one above looks like it got burnt, but we can still use them. They start out as quite green, like this one, and then with age they turn red. These are chocolate bells. So it's a bell pepper, but you can see it's got the dark chocolate color. This is an Anaheim chili. They're also thick-skinned, great for stuffing. And these peppers are poblanos. Those two are getting pretty ripe. I haven't been out here in about a week. These are shishito peppers. They are small and sweet, and they're so pretty. This is garlic chives, and as you can see, the bees are absolutely loving it. This is a row of onions, and as I pull this away, you can see these are the red onions. There's a yellow onion that has lost its top, so that one should come out. I'll just get that out of there. There it is.